So we are still continuing with costing methods, and in this video we are going to look at process costing. So this is a method of costing products whereby the production process has the following characteristics. This is how you know that this is process costing. So first is that there is continuous production of massive nature. Then the input from one process becomes a direct input to the next process. So it is like it has very many processes, process 1, process 2, like that. So the input from one process becomes an input to the next process. The cost unit is obtained by dividing the total cost by the expected goods production. The total cost divided by the goods that are produced, the quantity of the goods produced. That is how we calculate for the cost unit. So what are the common terms that we are going to be using in process costing? The first one is normal loss. A normal loss, it is unexpected. You expect it. Unexpected loss arising from the very nature of the production process and can be caused by factors such as evaporation, testing and setting, things like that. Like they are expected, they always happen in the course of the production. That is a normal loss. Then the abnormal loss, this one is unexpected. It is beyond the normal loss and it is caused by factors such as poor materials, sudden power failure, machine breakdown, things like that. So that is the abnormal. You don't expect it. The normal one, you expect it. Then the abnormal gain, it is the unexpected gain that occurs when total loss is less than when the actual loss is less than the normal loss. Like when you lose less than what you expected. You expected, like in the usual course of production, maybe you always make a loss of 10,000 USD, then you make a loss of 8,000 USD. So the difference is the abnormal gain. So it's the unexpected gain that occurs when the actual loss is less than the normal loss. Another term we have is loss. So loss is part of the input that has ceased existence and therefore not there. Something maybe has gotten damaged. It's part of the input that has ceased existence, like you lost it during the process of the production, during the production process. Then waste, it is spoiled production which cannot be sold. Yeah, something that has gotten spoiled. Waste is spoiled production which cannot be sold, something that has gotten spoiled and you can't sell it to anyone. Then scrap, it is spoiled production which can be sold at a lesser value. It is spoiled but you can still sell it. Waste is spoiled and you can't sell it. Then work in progress refers to uncompleted units undergoing processing, like you are still working on them. That is work in progress. So these are the common terms that we are going to be using. And then when it comes to process costing, we shall have common words like finished goods, something that has already been worked on, something that has already been produced, it has gone through all the processes. We shall have work in progress and then opening inventory. Those are the keywords that we are going to be dealing with. Opening inventory is that inventory at the beginning of the period or at the beginning of the process. Then work in progress, still being worked on. Finished goods, it is already worked on.